Ready. This is very easy, less than 10 minutes. Hi everyone, good morning. Today we will be making spaghetti tomato sauce. Here with me today are some onion, tomatoes, some hot pepper, green pepper, red peppers, and orange peppers. Obviously with some spices as well. I love my food to be very spicy and have a lot of taste. And obviously this is my special Maggi cube, which I made, and that would be on my YouTube page as well. So, and of course our spaghetti. Today I would be using a spelt spaghetti. It's a gluten-free, wheat-free for those who have wheat intolerance. Alright guys, so let's go. I'll put some olive oil, just a pinch, like it. I'm using olive oil, put a pinch of salt. Do not break your spaghetti. I can't emphasize this enough. Do not break your spaghetti. Just half of that. So while this is cooking, we'll make our tomato sauce. spaghetti tomato sauce is ready. This is very easy, in less than 10 minutes. Our lunch is ready. Healthy, delicious, tasty as usual. So thank you, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this, please, I would really appreciate if you like it and share with your friends, and of course subscribe. Thank you so much. Have a good day.